Hey there, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, we are going to talk about how to pick the right side hustle for you. If you missed my last video, I talked about 77 side hustle ideas. I am going to put it somewhere up here for you. You can go and take a look at it later. But in that, I gave you 77 ideas. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about how to pick the right side hustle for you. This is not to be mistaken with a lot of the videos that you see that's talking about niching down. Yes, you do need to niche down, but we'll talk about that a little later and maybe in another video. So how do you go about choosing the right side hustle for you? All right, let's get started. So to get started, the first thing you want to do is list down what you are good at, right? You absolutely want to make sure that you put that down, you write that down somewhere, what it is that you're good at. The next thing you want to do is talk about what you are passionate about. Sometimes you're good at something, but you're not necessarily passionate about it. And sometimes you're passionate about it, but you're not necessarily great at it, right? So we want to find a happy medium. Third, we want to check if it is profitable, right? So at the end of the day, we are in here to make money. Whether it's online or offline, whatever your side hustle is, you're here to make money. You're here to generate income to either supplement what you currently make or income so that you can actually make it a full-time job or full-time career for yourself so that you can leave your typical 9 to 5, right? But it has to be profitable. Now, not everything is profitable online, right? So there are ways that you need to go through, steps that you need to take to investigate whether or not what you are thinking of doing is profitable. All right. So that's already 3 quick things I've already said. I can't absolutely go into everything, but I'm going to touch on a few things. Right. So we've talked about what are you great at? What are you passionate about? And then what is profitable? At the end of the day, you have to be able to produce content for what it is that you're trying to do. If you're coming into the online space, you can't get away with not doing content. I tried, and that's why it's taking me so long to start my YouTube channel, taking me so long to start a podcast, which I've always wanted to do, taking me so long because initially when I first started this, everybody was blogging. It was all about blog, and I don't like blogging. I don't like writing. I speak better than I write. So I thought I had to do blogging because that's what everybody was doing. And so that just made me paralyzed. I didn't want to do it. I have no interest in blogging. So in my head, I thought content meant blogging, right? But I'm here to tell you that's not true. Content does not only mean blogging. So you can produce content however you want. They're podcasters. If you're more of a speaker, but you don't want to be on camera, but you love talking, you can definitely do podcast. If you are more comfortable on camera, you can do video. And it doesn't only have to be YouTube, though YouTube is the biggest channel for video. But you can also do Facebook, but it is nowhere near as powerful. Facebook is just getting into the game with the whole video thing. But you can definitely choose whichever platform you feel comfortable with, right? And absolutely, if you love writing and you're like, I don't want to speak and I don't want to be on video, then blogging is your route, then absolutely. But what I wanted to really say to you is that whatever side hustle you choose, if you're coming into the online space, know that you have to produce content. You have to say something. You have to shout it from the rooftop. You have to shout it from the mountaintop. And the only mountaintop that you have to shout out what it is that you're trying to say is your own platform, which is YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever it is. But at the end of the day, you have to produce content. There are tons, and I've done this mistake, so I'm here to actually let you know, don't do what I did. All right? Don't do what I did. And I also have clients who shy away from producing content. It doesn't matter what form of content, they shy away from producing content. At the end of the day, people don't know, like, or trust you. And it is not personal. They don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. And they may know you, but they don't like you and they don't trust you. They may know you, they may like you, but they don't trust you yet. So you need to build this. And the only way you're going to build this is for you to showcase your expertise. You've got to toot your own horn. Nobody is going to come here and just magically know what you're good at if you don't tell them and if you don't show them what you're good at. All right. So I've kind of like rambled on a little bit about that, but that is very important. You have to be able to you have to be able and you have to be willing to produce content. Okay. So first thing, again, let's recap. You're going to list down everything that you are talented at, that you are good at, and then everything that you are passionate about, and everything that of those two things. Find a happy middle and then decide on which one of them is profitable. I know we all want to be like, oh, I'm not here to make money. Money is this, money is this. We're going to get away from this negative money talk. You're trying to build a side hustle. You're trying to make extra income. You wouldn't be trying to make extra income if the income you had right now was enough for you, right? So this is not the time to have money issues and negative money thoughts. We're here to make money, okay? We're going to do it ethically and we're going to do it sustainably, but we're still here to make money, okay? Hope you liked this video. I know it was super short. I wanted to quickly share with you the steps that you need to take to start a side hustle. Now, I have a longer, in-depth video masterclass on this that I am sharing with you. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Click on it and it will take you over to the masterclass. It's instant access. Also, if you are looking for ideas, I'm going to be on Instagram from about 11:30 to 12 o'clock, where I'm inviting you guys to come over onto my Instagram. I'm going to share my Instagram handle here. And I want to brainstorm your ideas with you. What ideas do you have kicking around? What do you want to start that you haven't started yet? And I'm happy to help you brainstorm that and see where we can go with that. Awesome. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you will be notified of my next video. All right, take care.